Hey, hey! So here's a video that tells you a little bit more about short assignment number one. Short assignment number one was posted to Blackboard today at 4:30 p.m. sharp and will be due officially by Monday night at 11:59 p.m. Although you might want to get a head start because short assignment two is due in class on Thursday, so you don't want to have them overlapping. Short assignment one is very simple. You can find a detailed list and directions on our Blackboard site under course documents that says short assignment number one. But here's just the brief overview. So since we talked a lot about online identities and how dishonesty and digital communication kind of intersect and can create some complicated issues, we're going to develop alter egos using what else? Pinterest. So if you don't know how to use Pinterest, there's a lot of online tutorials. It's very simple, but basically it's an online community message board in which you can pin anything you want. So here's the brief synopsis. What I want you to do is create two boards on Pinterest. Number one is a board about the real you, in which you will pin no less than 25 things that represent the real, authentic, offline you. You will also create a second board. So board number two is your alter ego, in which you will design somebody that is not you, things you don't care about, things that are not related to you, things that are not authentic or honest. You can develop your online ego however you choose, but I want this to be a true alter ego, as if you were somebody that was deceiving another person online about your identity. Then, after creating those two boards, you will head back to Tumblr, which you've already emailed me your Tumblr post name. You will copy and paste the Pinterest boards and insert them into the Tumblr. You will write three posts, very brief. Post number one will go with the authentic Pinterest board about you, and you will design an online classifieds ad in which you describe yourself as if you were trying to get a date online or in the paper. You will then also write a second classified ad that describes you in the dishonest and unauthentic terms that you described in your second Pinterest board. So basically, you're creating a classified ad about the authentic you and a classified ad about the dishonest you. So act as if you're getting a date and representing yourself to people online because that's what really happens. We can really construct our own identities, reconstruct them, deconstruct them, do whatever we want. So we're going to demonstrate that. Then, briefly, after those two classified posts on Tumblr, you're going to write a little bit of a discussion using 2 to 3 points either from class today or from the textbook. And you can talk about the role of identity and authenticity online, the issues that digital communication brings when it comes to authenticity and honesty. You choose. There's no real format here. You can talk about anything you want to, but bring in points we either talked about in class or points from the reading. So pure and simple, that's it. This is kind of elementary. It's kind of simple. Know that all of them won't be this simple, but it's a good way to get started and get your feet wet. So remember, number one, you go to Pinterest and create two boards. An authentic board about yourself with 25 things and an unauthentic board about yourself with at least 25 things. Your real you and your alter ego that's fictional. Then you go to Tumblr, provide those links, and create two classified ads. One about the real you, one about the fictional you, both trying to get a date. Third, you write a little bit of a discussion using 2 to 3 points from class or the readings to talk about dishonesty and authenticity and identity online in whatever way you choose. Again, all this is due by 11:59 p.m. I will expect a tweet from you that says you are finished, and that's when I'll head to your Tumblr blog and look at it. And I'll do my best to get grades uploaded shortly after I view these assignments. I hope you have fun with this, and I will see you in class on next Tuesday. In the meantime, be watching on Thursday for the release of short assignment number two. If you have any questions, I'm on Skype, P.E. Wagnerful, P-E-W-A-G-N-E-R-F-U-L. I'm on Skype from right now until 5 p.m. Skype me and we'll chat. If not, have fun with this assignment and see you Tuesday.